What's the meaning of chopping board? Chopping board. Chopping board.
Chopping board. Chopping board. A chopping board is a flat surface used in the kitchen for cutting and slicing food. Typically made of wood, plastic, or glass, it provides a sturdy surface for preparing ingredients. Using a chopping board while cooking helps to prevent damage to countertops and ensures a hygienic surface for food preparation. It is an essential tool for anyone who enjoys cooking or needs to prepare meals regularly. Overall, a chopping board is a simple yet essential kitchen item that helps to make cooking easier, cleaner, and safer.